So what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today, right in my hand is the latest iPad Air 4th generation. I got the green one, and I think it's kind of another move for Apple to move to more environmentally friendly, if I'm right. But nonetheless, it's a gorgeous looking color, and yeah, why not just jump into the unboxing video and reviews. So the 4th generation iPad Air is still contained in the most classic Apple white box. Once you open up the pull tab, unwrap the plastic cover around it, and you just pull up the cover. And here you go, the latest iPad Air. Inside there's an instruction paper contained with 2 Apple stickers if you are interested. And there's a 20-volt power adapter, USB Type-C to Type-C cable, which are not included in the iPhone 12. And the iPad itself. I got the green one, and I have to say it looks so much better in person, and I really recommend you guys to get this color. Welcome back, and today right now on my table we got the latest iPad Air and 2020 12.9-inch iPad Pro. So I'm gonna do a quick comparison and let you decide which iPad is for you and what the best value is for your money you spent. There are a lot of great upgrades in the latest new iPad, and I think the biggest feature, kind of the main difference between the Air and the 11-inch Pro is that it uses a TouchID, and Apple bring back finally the TouchID. It's absolutely amazingly fast, definitely way faster than Face ID. And just very responsive. So that brings up the main difference, kind of one, the Pro model, obviously it has a Touch ID 3D depth sensing sensors at the front, and the Air only have the Touch ID if it's a big issue for you. And second I want to bring up is actually the camera. So the Pro model, it got a lot of tech going on back there. There's the ultra wide, and the LiDAR sensor, and the flash. But on the other hand, the Air model only have the wide camera, so it doesn't even come with a flash. But I don't think there are a lot of iPad photographers out there, so if taking photos with your iPad is the kind of a deal breaker for you, then I'm sorry, it doesn't even have a flash. But I think for most people it's okay, just scanning documents and stuff, and you don't even need a flash sometimes to scan the document. And I think it's a really good wide angle also. It's basically the same technology used in the Pro model. It's the same wide angle camera. And finally we come down to the display. So the 10.9-inch iPad Air actually have the same form factor with the 11-inch iPad Pro, but the bezels are slightly thicker, and the iPad itself is slightly heavier. iPad Pro 11-inch weight only at 468 gram, but this one on my hand weight at 471 gram. So 3 grams more heavier if it's a big issue. And although it's called as Air, it's actually 2 millimeters thicker than the 11-inch Pro model. I think somehow Apple re-engineered the internal, or tried to fit in the Touch ID here to make it slightly thicker and less kind of resistant to bending, since Apple, the latest form factor, have a bend gate before. But yeah, it's 2 millimeters thicker at 6.1 millimeter now. But still, nonetheless, it's amazingly thin and amazingly lightweight device. It's perfect for travel, I think, the Apple Air. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And on the specs, the Air only comes with 4 GB of RAM, and the Pro model comes with 6 GB of RAM with the A12Z Bionic, while the Air model have the A14, Apple's latest and greatest processor. Right now, Apple have so many iPads in the lineup. The Pro, the Mini, the Air, and the normal iPad. It's pretty tedious to decide which one is for you. But know what the iPad is for. Know, are you a photography type of person? Are you an artist, do graphic designs? Then you probably have to go for the Pro model. But if you're like a student like me, who just travel around, want to be portable, want to be lightweight, then the Air is actually the perfect solution. So it's nothing really interesting about it. Like there's no groundbreaking innovations in the Air. It's a typical Tim Cook marketing move, but nonetheless, it actually provides you a lot of values. Kind of compare with the iPhone 12 versus the iPhone 12 Pro this year. The main difference is actually really just about the camera, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and can make up your mind which iPad is actually for you. And if you like the video, make sure to smash that thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.